Hey guys, let's talk about something incredibly important that affects millions of men but is often swept under the rug. Right now, 1 in 2 men over the age of 60 is struggling with an enlarged prostate. If you're one of them, you know exactly what this means. Waking up multiple times every single night, feeling like you constantly have to go, and that frustrating stop and start stream. It's exhausting, it's disruptive, and it can seriously erode your confidence and your control over your own life. But here's the crucial piece of information that most men are never told. You have more power over this than you think. Specific foods, backed by solid clinical research, can naturally help reduce prostate inflammation and slow its enlargement, all without needing a prescription. This isn't just about convenience. An enlarged prostate, technically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, has ripple effects on your entire well-being. Think about it. When you're constantly waking up at night, your sleep quality plummets. Chronic poor sleep is a major risk factor for serious health issues. It increases your risk of heart disease. It literally accelerates the aging process. It leads to crushing daytime fatigue, and it can take a massive toll on your mental health, contributing to anxiety and depression. Life is just harder when you're permanently tired. So what's really going on down there? The two primary culprits behind BPH are a hormone imbalance driven by something called DHT and chronic low-grade inflammation. DHT is a potent form of testosterone that can cause prostate cells to multiply too quickly. And inflammation, well, it's like a slow-burning fire that contributes to the swelling and discomfort. The fantastic news is that both of these root causes can be directly influenced by what you eat. Your diet can either fuel the fire or help to put it out. Today I'm going to share 6 science-backed powerhouse foods that can seriously support your prostate health. These aren't folk remedies. They are backed by research and can make a real, tangible difference. Let's start with number 1, pumpkin seeds. These little guys are nutritional giants. They are incredibly rich in zinc, a mineral that is absolutely crucial for prostate health. Zinc plays a key role in blocking the conversion of testosterone into that problematic DHT. The more zinc you have, the less DHT you produce, which helps slow down that excessive cell growth in the prostate. You don't need a lot. Just about a quarter cup of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds each day can provide a significant dose of this essential mineral. They're an easy and delicious snack to add to your routine. Next up, number 2, cooked tomatoes. You've probably heard of lycopene, the antioxidant that gives tomatoes their bright red color. Well, lycopene is a superstar when it comes to the prostate. Studies have shown it can help reduce prostate inflammation and may even slow the progression of BPH. But here's the key. Lycopene becomes much more bioavailable, meaning easier for your body to absorb and use when tomatoes are cooked. So, think tomato sauce, tomato paste, or even a hearty tomato soup. Aiming for a serving of cooked tomato products 4 to 5 times a week is a fantastic goal. Food number 3 is fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds you can eat. They work by calming the inflammatory pathways throughout your body, including in your prostate. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of BPH symptoms, so taming it is a huge step in the right direction. Just 2 servings of fatty fish per week can start to shift the balance in your favor. Coming in at number 4 is a beverage you might already enjoy: green tea. The secret weapon in green tea is a compound called EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. It's a mouthful, I know. But EGCG has been shown in studies to help reduce the overgrowth of prostate cells and even induce a process called apoptosis, which is the natural, programmed death of old cells. This helps maintain a healthy size and function of the prostate. To get the benefits, try drinking 3 to 5 cups of high-quality green tea daily. It's a simple, hydrating habit that can pay big dividends. Number 5 is small but mighty. Brazil nuts. These are the single best food source of selenium on the planet. Selenium is a trace mineral that acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your prostate cells from damage. It's so potent that you only need 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day to meet your entire daily requirement. Any more than that can actually lead to too much selenium, so moderation is key here. Just 1 or 2 nuts a day is the perfect dose for prostate protection. And finally, number 6, pomegranate juice. This vibrant, delicious juice is loaded with unique antioxidants called polyphenols, specifically punicalagins and ellagitanins. These compounds have been researched for their ability to interfere with androgen receptors on prostate cells. By blocking these receptors, they can help reduce the stimulating effect of hormones that cause the prostate to grow. When you're buying it, make sure you choose 100% pomegranate juice with no added sugar. About 8 ounces a day is a great target to aim for. Now, just as important as what you add to your diet is what you take out. There are certain foods that actively fuel prostate inflammation and can make your symptoms worse. The biggest offenders are sugar and refined carbohydrates like white bread and pastries. These spike your blood sugar and insulin, which promotes inflammation. Processed meats, excess dairy, alcohol, and refined omega-6 vegetable oils like corn and soy oil also contribute to the problem. Cutting back on these is a crucial part of the strategy. I know this might seem like a lot of changes, but you don't have to do it all at once. The best approach is to start small. This week, just pick one of these foods to incorporate into your diet. Maybe you start snacking on pumpkin seeds. Next week, add another. Perhaps you swap your regular cooking oil for olive oil and have some salmon for dinner. The key is to build sustainable habits over time. So, when can you expect to see results? Everyone is different, but many men start to notice improvements in their urinary flow and fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom within just 4 to 6 weeks. More significant, measurable improvements often become apparent within a few months of consistently making these dietary changes. The most important takeaway from all of this is that your prostate health is not an inevitable consequence of aging that you just have to accept. It is more. You have the power to influence it, starting with the very next meal you eat. You can take back control of your nights, your energy, and your life. It all starts today, on your plate. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health tips you can actually use. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.